Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be reviewing the Lansinoh breast pumps. Let us dive into the video. It comes like this. It also comes with the pump machine. It comes with a connecting circuit. This two part is for each bottle. It also comes with a adapter, AC adapter, and it also comes with a place where you can put your batteries, 6 AA batteries. It also comes with a sealing disc and a bottle cap with a ring. After pumping, you can cover the bottle with this and store in the fridge for your next feeding section. Now let's talk about the pump itself. So it comes with a bottle, one bottle, and the second bottle a valve, so it where the milk will come through into the bottle. Pump body, which consists of a flange. This is where you will put in your breast, a silicone membrane on the two pump, and a silicone membrane cover. This is also called a backflow connector. So when you have assembled the breast pump part, then you have to place the tube connector. So you will place the tube connector inside this silicone diaphragm cover, and then what it does is that this purple thing inside this place, the silicone diaphragm, it will prevent the milk from flowing into the tube. You do not want milk inside your tube because it can grow mold and it will be so difficult to wash out. So you place it inside this machine and then connect the AC adapter like this. Then this part goes into the sockets, and you can put batteries inside this engine and put it in a bag, and then you can move around doing whatever you want to do while pumping. It is a double pump, so you can express both breasts at the same time. So you do want to get yourself a double electric breast pump, even though it is pricey, but it is worth it. It actually removes milk very well, so effectively. Just press on this machine. I don't know if you can see clearly. This is the on button. This is the stimulation phase, that is the let down phase. You have to use this first. Then when you start seeing your milk coming out, you will start the expression phase. It has like 7 expression phases, and then you can use the one that is most comfortable for you. Thirdly, you can use the battery, so you can put batteries in it and go about doing whatever you want to do. It comes with a sealing disc, so after pumping you can use this. There are 2 of this. You can use this and cover up the bottles, put them in the fridge, and then bring it out, warm it up, and give it to your baby. It comes with a bigger bottle, 5 ounce. You can also take this pump wherever you're going. You can take it to work and pump your breast milk. Number 1, it has so many parts. Number 2, it is very difficult to assemble at the beginning, even when you've gotten used to it. It is so time consuming to put it together, so it is so time consuming to assemble the pump part. If you are always pumping, this pump can be so frustrating. except or unless you have someone that can do this for you. And just imagine pumping 5 times a day and using this pump. It might frustrate you. You cannot stay in a laid back position and pump with this breast pump, and that is because of the way it is built. If you look closely, you will see the way it is built. So it is built like this. It goes down, and if you are staying in a laid back position, the milk will flow out. You always have to bend forward to be able to use this pump very well. Flange size, I can't remember what size this is, but it comes with 2, like a bigger one and a smaller one. So for the average size nipple, this might work, but for some people it might not work. So what you need to do is maybe find out the size of the flanges and then your nipple size in order to get a perfect size, or a bigger one or a smaller one. If I should grade this pump, I will grade it maybe a 7/10, and that's because of the flanges. It was bigger and smaller for me, so sometimes I will feel pain. But if I use a nipple cream, I mentioned this in one of my previous videos, that is the breastfeeding essentials. Please, if you haven't viewed this video, please click on the link in the description box.